I love this toner because it is soft and non-irritant. What is a toner good for? Great question. I thought you'd never ask. A toner is meant to bring back the pH balance of your skin. What does that even mean, right? Basically, what it means is that when you're washing your skin with a cleanser, your pores get dilated in order for all that bacteria, dirt, sweat, and SPF to come off of your skin. This is why a toner is important, because it's going to bring back the pH balance of your skin and close your pores. Like that, you don't leave your pores dilated. So with this brand, I love it. It's vegan, non-toxic, and cruelty-free. We're going to apply it the way it should. So I'm going to ask Mona to give me her palm of her hands. And the reason I'm doing it on her hands instead of a regular cotton swab is because this is so amazing that you don't want the cotton to absorb it. You want this directly patted onto your skin. So we're going to demonstrate how to apply this toner. So you want to use patting motions all over your skin to make sure that your skin is drinking up this toner, and feel free to extend it down to your jawline, your neck, even your décolleté. Now, step 3 is optional, depending on what you're looking to target in your skin or what effect you want to create. What is that step called? The serum. Serums can be used for various reasons. In this case, since I'm performing a lovely makeup on Mona, I will be using a Day Illuminating Serum, which is concentrated with vitamin C. It will help boost your skin from within. Usually a serum is very liquidy in texture. And the reason is, serum is meant to be highly concentrated to penetrate deeply into the epidermis of the skin. The epidermis of the skin is the first layer of the skin. And when you plump that from within, you're going to get this beautiful glow. You also have night serum. Night serums are meant to target, for example, fine lines, pigmentation, dullness, does anti-aging. And those are usually put at night. Why? Because while we sleep, our body regenerates itself. This is why it's also important to apply a skincare before we go to sleep, and also drink some water. Now I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate with Mona how to apply serum. You will take 2 pumps in your 2 index fingers like so. So you start like so, adding 2 pumps in your index fingers and caressing them both together. You're going to want to create dots all over your face, around your jawline, on your nose, on your forehead. And then with soft upward motions, you want to go and bring that into your skin. Massage it, enjoy it. The texture is so luxurious, it's so soft, it really just rolls onto your skin. However, in about a minute or so, you're going to feel a wonderful tightening effect, which will give you that illuminating look that you're going for. I really hope you find one that works for you, because once you start trying them, you're going to start seeing the benefits and love the results. Now let's move to our eye care. Eye care is extremely important for various reasons. Our skin around our eyes are 7 times thinner than the skin anywhere else in your body. That means they're super, super delicate. So you always want to make sure you don't rub your eyes too hard. Don't be too rough around the eye area, because it's such a sensitive and volatile area. A tip that I can offer you is that if you're going to do anything to remove hair around your brow area, I would suggest either threading or tweezing. Waxing is a big no-no, because it's going to pull the skin around here and loosen it up since it's so delicate. Another important factor to know is that why do we have to hydrate around our area, and why is there just a cream for our eyes? Well, because the eye area is built differently from the rest of the skin. It doesn't have all the glands to secrete moisture to continuously hydrate like our face and the rest of our body. This is why it's really important to hydrate around your eye. Like that, you will always have a wonderful and youthful appearance. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply the Eye Smooth Cream by Monat. Now you don't need much cream around your eye area because it's a small space. What's really cool with this product, you're gonna get a little hand roller and use the back side as a little spatula to pick up some product. Why? Great question. Because you don't want to cross-contaminate with your fingers, even though you should always wash your hands before applying and taking off your skincare. So I'm going to apply on the 2 fingers, and you're going to go ahead and dot right around the bone of your eye. This is all under here and on your brow. You don't want to go too into your skin. Exactly. And you can go all the way up here too on your brow, because that's all the sensitive area, even right here on top of your brow line. Perfect. And what's great with Monat is that it comes with a little roller for you to use around the eye contour area. What this is going to be good for, it's also going to manually help stimulate the blood circulation around your eyes, therefore decreasing puffiness and the appearance of those dark circles. We have little tiny blood vessels that are under our eye. And since I had mentioned to you before, our eye area has the thinnest skin of our whole body. So when your blood vessels become blocked and clogged, you tend to see that discoloration, green, blue, or purple. And this is why it's important to hydrate and maintain the health of your eye contour. Like that, you can have a youthful and glowing appearance. The final touch. We're going to apply the hydrating cream. A hydrating cream, you got to think of it, kind of acts as a protective barrier for your skin. Remember, I just told you how our skin is our largest and least protected organ? Well, it is, and it's an organ, it's alive. Therefore, it can breathe, it expands, and contracts. And I'm sure you know that when you're cold, you get the goosebumps, and when you're hot, you sweat. So we got to make sure that you protect our skin, especially on our face, since it's the one that has most contact with the environment and with pollution. What you need to look for in a hydrating cream, first of all, is one that will complement your skin texture. Remember, I told you there's various types of skins, so you want to make sure that you're using the right hydrating cream to create balance in your skin. A great feature that a hydrating cream could have is emollient. What's an emollient? An emollient is something that will continuously hydrate your skin. Also, humectants are amazing. There are a lot of skincares out there that contain humectants. What's a humectant? A humectant is a type of ingredient that will draw moisture from the air so your skin doesn't dehydrate itself. It will continuously hydrate your skin, making it feel comfortable and look beautiful. So let's go ahead and apply our hydrating cream. So for Mona's skin type, we're doing something for more of a normal to a sensitive skin. So this will be a bit richer in texture in comparison to probably a hydrating cream or gel used for someone who has combination or oily. Once again, this is why it's important to understand and to know your skin type. Like that, you'll make better choices for your skincare, which will lead with better results for your makeup. So we're going to apply a bit on her hands, on the tip of the fingers, and just dab it a little bit around the cheek area and the jawline. Don't forget the forehead as well. So you always want to do movements moving apart but upwards. By doing so, you're also stimulating our lymphatic nodes that are found on your face, which will help with de-swelling and a good circulation. Ladies, don't forget this. Our face starts at our nipples and upwards. Our décolleté is a very sensitive skin, so make sure that you're also hydrating and moisturizing and using your toner on this area, our neck, our jawline, and of course your face. Also, what I've recently discovered is that when you're applying your hydrating cream, try to extend it a little bit here to your earlobes, because with time, we tend to lose that little plumpness in our earlobes and they get dry, and yes, they can age. So start as soon as possible and you'll thank me later. And this is it, guys. Congratulations. You've perfectly applied skincare and now you know what to look for when you're buying your new products. Let's go and move forward to foundation.